Environmental pollution and global warming are common challenges faced by all humankind. And with the efforts of scientists, there are now guidance of the Earth environment in space. We're now in Hefei, capital of Anhui province. The cutting-edge instruments here, developed by the scientists here, have been sent to space, turning satellites into pairs of eyes to protect the clean air we breathe and the sustainable development of human society.
我们的载荷叫衡量气体差分吸收光谱仪。所谓衡量气体，就是指大气中非常稀少的气体，如氮氧化物、硫化物、溴氧、甲醛等气体，能够帮助环境质量监管，实现大气成分与气候变化的监测。
Carbon emission reduction requires comprehensive and accurate data on carbon emissions and carbon sinks. The greenhouse gas monitoring instrument developed by researchers here is currently in orbit, where it is monitoring quantitatively greenhouse gases. Working together with ground monitoring stations, this instrument can accurately and comprehensively monitor greenhouse gas emissions.
我们的观测站点是全球总碳柱观测网合肥站点，观测获得了8年多的温室气体重浓度数据。我们可以利用这些温室气体长期观测数据，那么支撑我们国家的双碳战略。